We have to discuss the traversal, different type of traversal like pre-order, in-order and post-order. Now here we have to discuss expression tree. What is expression tree? Expression tree is a binary tree used to represent an arithmetic expression. If a arithmetic expression is there, we have to represent by using the expression tree. It can be created from infix expression, prefix expression or postfix expression. In an expression tree, the operator is always at the root and the operand are either its left child or its right child. Okay, so in an expression tree, the operands are the leaf nodes. Always the leaf node are the operand and the operator are the non-leaf nodes. Okay, the expression tree are a binary tree and every non-leaf node has exactly two child. Then the in-order traversal of the expression tree give the infix expression, the post-order traversal it give the postfix expression, and the pre-order traversal give the prefix expression. So in general, it is a binary tree to represent a arithmetic expression. So see how. Okay, so what is the logic? Root or parent node always the operator. You have to remember root and parent node always the operator, and the child and the leaf node are the operand. Okay. Then what is the significance? If you perform the in-order traversal, we get the infix expression. If the traverse pre-order, we get the prefix. If you traverse post-order, then you got the postfix. From this expression tree, if you perform the in-order, it get infix. If you perform pre-order, it give prefix. And if you perform the post-order, you find the postfix. So let's see. Suppose a simple expression a plus b. How to generate an expression tree? As you know, root node is always the operator, or the parent is always the operator. Then you have to start the plus is the operator, and from the plus the left side is the a and right side the b. The simple it is a, at the left side it is a and the right side it is b. Okay, so this is your expression tree for a plus b. So perform the pre-order traversal. If the pre-order traversal, what is the rule is root, then lst, then rst. Okay, root lst rst. So first is we have to print it, then we have to perform the left subtree traversal, then print it, then no left subtree, return right subtree. Okay, similarly here return, then go to here, first print it, no left subtree, no right subtree. So this give plus ab. So if you perform a pre-order traversal, it give the prefix expression. Pre-order traversal give prefix expression. Then perform the in-order traversal. What is the in-order traversal? So here first you perform the left subtree. Here is the pointer is there. First you perform the left subtree. Okay, then here no left subtree is there. Then print it. After that, then right subtree. Here first left subtree is completed. Then we have to print it. Then go to here. So here left subtree completed, no left subtree. Then print it. Then right subtree. So plus ab, already plus ab is there. So that is your in-order traversal. Or this is also infix. Similarly for post-order traversal, that is suppose plus a b. What is the post-order traversal? It is first left subtree, right subtree, last print it. So plus here pointer, then go to here a. Okay, perform the left subtree, no left subtree, no right subtree, first print it a. Then here left subtree is completed, then go to the right subtree. For right subtree, no left subtree, no right subtree, print it. So for plus, left subtree completed, right subtree completed, then print it. So this is your pre-order traversal, and this is also postfix. Okay, if you for expression tree perform a pre-order traversal, it give prefix. If you perform a in-order traversal, it give infix. If you perform a post-order traversal, it give. If you perform a post-order traversal, it give postfix expression. Let's do another example. Suppose a plus b into c. Okay, so this is your what expression is there. So already we know that the expression is evaluated according to the priority. What is the priority here? Plus and into, which is the highest priority. So this is your highest priority. So first you do what? First you do into. First you come into is the root node. Then into, b is the left side. Then c is the right side. Okay, next plus operation is done. Then plus operation I am taking. Okay, as a root label, always the operator is the either root or parent. Okay, so for plus a is the left children. Okay, then these are the right children, then you have to join it. So this is your expression tree from A plus B into C. Okay, then you have to perform, if you perform the in order, pre-order and post-order traversal, then what is happen? So in order traversal of this tree, it give what? In fixed expression. Pre-order traversal of this tree, it give prefix expression, and post-order traversal of this tree, it give postfix expression. Okay. Okay, do another example. Suppose this expression is there. So what is this symbol? This is the exponential symbol, and you know that if this symbol is there, you have to perform the execution what? From right to left. If to same priority expression is there, for this exponential it is right to left associativity, and other operator it is left to right. So for this we have perform what? Right to left, means we have to perform this first. So I am writing what? This is the operator, then left side it is B, then right side it is C. Okay, then next this is you have to write here exponential operator, then left side A, and then right side this. So this is the expression T of this following expression. Okay, then we perform the in order, pre-order and post-order, we get the infix, prefix and postfix. Okay, next this example, see, into and divide are the same priority. For the associativity what? From left to right, you have to perform the left to right. So first you have to do what? Into operation, that means into, then left side it is A and right side it is B. Okay, then divide, then root is the here and C is the right side and this expression is the left side. Okay, this is your expression T of this following expression. Clear? Then you perform the in order, pre-order and post-order, it give infix, prefix and postfix.